multiplication by power of s in inverse Laplace transform. Statement: if L inverse of f bar of s equal to f of t and f of 0 equal to 0, then L inverse of s into f bar of s equal to f dash of t. This formula is useful while solving the applications of Laplace transform, means while solving the differential equation using Laplace inverse Laplace transform. Then this sometimes we will use this formula only formula purpose. Next, another concept, division by s in inverse Laplace transform. The statement: if L inverse of f bar of s equal to f of t, then L inverse of f bar of s by s, means when it is divided by s, then the answer is integral 0 to t f of t dt. f of t dt. The general formula once again, L inverse of f bar of s equal to f of t, then L inverse of f bar of s by s square, then 2 times integration, integral 0 to t, integral 0 to t, f of t dt, again one more time dt, 2 times integration with respect to t. This formula is also we will use while solving the ordinary differential equation by using inverse Laplace transform.